Welcome back, viewers. As we have learned in the last videos that how to create some database in our XAMPP server and how to create some tables in that database, okay? And in this video we will learn how to make a connection between our web page and our XAMPP server, okay? So let's start. First, as in the first step, we have to initialize our XAMPP control panel like this. I have already started Apache and MySQL, okay? And now go to your text notepad and make a new file like new file, okay? And by saving this by pressing Ctrl S, and as you know about the directory of XAMPP, we have to save this file in local C. Go to XAMPP folder and save it in htdocs, okay? So give a name like connection file, okay? Connection file.php, okay? So save this. Okay, now we go to code. So this is the basic syntax of PHP, okay? Okay, now you have to initialize a variable like connection variable, okay? This equals to mysqli connect like this, okay? And first you have to initialize your server, that we have a local server, okay? Server local also, local, we have a local host, okay? And second, you have to initialize your user, that is by default we have a root, okay? And second, you have to mention your password for the connection. So we have not any password for XAMPP, okay? This is by default, it is an empty, okay? And next we have to mention our database DB name, that is go to your control panel, okay? And go to MySQL admin. We see there what is our database, okay? That we are making a connection between our web page and our DB. So wait, what is this? Close this window. Yes. So please wait a while because my web browser is loading. As this is opening, we say, okay, last time we have created a DB like DB name, we have named and DB, okay? Click on DB, and as you have seen, there are some database like DB test and test, and there is a one tracker. So you can create many databases, okay? Here we have to make a connection between our web page and our database, that is our DB, named as DB, okay? So go to your notepad and give a DB, okay? This is a semicolon. This is basic syntax of connection with using PHP, okay? Now we have to initialize this video, okay? Now we have to check this connection by applying condition okay if not connection, if variable not connection, then we have to display. It means if this connection is not true, then we have to echo a text like connection failed. Okay, connection failed. Else we say else echo we say connected successfully. Okay, so let's okay, this is our PHP file, and here we say HTML, title we say PHP connection. Okay, and we write here, we display here, and PHP if our connection successfully, we display here. So wait, cancel this and paste this code in body section. Okay, now let's check Control S by saving this file. Now load this file on our web browser. So this is input your local host. Okay, and right here connection dot php. There is error, as we have name file that connection file, load this, that is connected successful. Okay, so viewers, this is the main syntax of a connection between our web page and our web server. Okay, so please work it as a practically on your laptop, on your PC, so that you can learn this connection between our web page and our web server. Okay, so wait for next video to learn how to retrieve data between how to retrieve some data from our table to our web page. Okay, thank you for viewing this video, and please subscribe our channel to learn more videos, to learn more topics. Thank you.